In the vast and dynamic world of the stock market, there exists a realm of untapped opportunities and potential wealth. Behind the scenes, a select group of investors has been privy to the stock market's best kept secrets, strategies that allow them to identify undervalued stocks and consistently outperform the market. But what if these secrets were no longer exclusive to a chosen few? In this groundbreaking video, we pull back the curtains and reveal the hidden strategies that have the power to transform your investment approach. Get ready to embark on a journey that will empower you with the tools to spot those hidden gems and pave your way towards financial success. Gone are the days of relying on luck or blindly following the herd. It's time to take control and uncover the stocks that hold immense potential for growth. This isn't about get-rich, quick schemes or impractical shortcuts. Instead, we'll dive deep into the fundamentals and explore proven techniques that can supercharge your portfolio. You'll gain insights into the specific indicators, patterns, and analytical methods that successful investors employ to identify undervalued stocks. By arming yourself with this knowledge, you'll be able to make informed investment decisions and seize opportunities that others might overlook. Throughout this video, we'll guide you through the intricate world of stock market analysis, empowering you to spot hidden gems and maximize your profits. We'll explore key factors to consider, such as fundamental analysis, industry trends, and market sentiment, which will help you separate the wheat from the chaff. No matter where you are on your investment journey, whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, the stock market's best kept secrets are within your reach. This video will serve as your compass, providing you with the guidance and knowledge you need to navigate the ever-changing landscape of the stock market. It's time to unlock your potential for financial success and redefine what's possible in the world of investing. Join us as we unveil the stock market's best kept secrets and embark on a path that can lead to remarkable achievements. Prepare to equip yourself with the insights and strategies that can make a lasting impact on your investment journey. Are you ready to delve into the realm of hidden gems and discover the secrets that can help you beat the market? Let's begin this transformative journey together. When it comes to investing in the stock market, the key to long-term success lies in identifying undervalued stocks with strong growth potential. These hidden gems are the stocks that often go unnoticed by the majority of investors, presenting an opportunity for those who can spot them early on. One of the stock market's best-kept secrets is the ability to uncover these hidden gems. Successful investors have mastered the art of analyzing companies, studying industry trends, and utilizing various tools to identify stocks that are poised for growth. By doing so, they gain a competitive edge and can outperform the broader market. At the heart of uncovering hidden gems is fundamental analysis. This approach involves delving deep into a company's financials, understanding its business model, evaluating its competitive advantage, and assessing its growth prospect. By analyzing key financial ratios such as price-to-earnings ratio, earnings per share, and return on equity, investors can gain valuable insights into a company's health and growth potential. However, fundamental analysis is not limited to numbers alone. It also involves considering qualitative factors such as the company's management team, market positioning, and industry trends. By combining quantitative and qualitative analysis, investors can paint a comprehensive picture of a company's value and growth prospects. While fundamental analysis provides a solid foundation, successful investors also harness the power of technical analysis. This approach involves studying price patterns, trends, and market indicators to make predictions about future price movement. Technical analysis can help identify entry and exit points, as well as potential trends that may go unnoticed by other investors. Through the use of charts, trend lines, moving averages, and oscillators, technical analysis allows investors to uncover patterns and signals that can guide their investment decisions. It's a skill that requires practice and experience, but once mastered, it can provide valuable insights into market trends and the optimal timing for buying or selling stocks. Beyond numbers and charts, market sentiment plays a crucial role in uncovering hidden gems. Understanding the emotions and psychology of market participants can provide valuable insights into stock price movements. By gauging market sentiment, investors can identify when stocks are undervalued due to market pessimism or overvalued due to exuberance. Monitoring news, social media trends, and analyst reports can provide a pulse on market sentiment. By staying attuned to the broader market environment, investors can position themselves to take advantage of mispriced stocks and market inefficiencies. Uncovering hidden gems in the stock market is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires patience, discipline, and a long-term perspective. Successful investors understand that investing is a marathon, not a sprint. They resist the urge to chase after the latest hot stock or succumb to market hype. By staying focused on their investment strategy and maintaining a diversified portfolio, investors can mitigate risk and increase their chances of uncovering those elusive hidden gems. They embrace the concept of buying low and selling high and are willing to hold onto their investments even during periods of market volatility. Unveiling the stock market's best-kept secrets is a journey that requires dedication, continuous learning, and a willingness to challenge conventional wisdom. By mastering the art of fundamental and technical analysis, understanding market sentiment, and maintaining discipline, you can position yourself to spot hidden gems and outperform the market. Remember, investing is not a game of luck or chance. It is a strategic endeavor that rewards those who are willing to put in the effort.